Namaste children. Hearty welcome to our mathematics class, class 10. Today we are going to deal with chapter 2, polynomials. So let us learn in detail what are polynomials. Polynomial, the word is derived from two words. One is poly and the other is nomial. Poly is a Greek word which means many, and nomial is a Latin word which means terms. So polynomial deals with many terms. So let us learn what are polynomials. Polynomials are algebraic expressions which consist of variables, coefficients and non-negative integral exponents which are combined with the arithmetic operations. So let us see some examples of polynomials. In each polynomial, you can see a variable present along with the coefficient of that variable, and there will be some non-negative integral exponents. See, the power should be non-negative. Okay. So, and these all terms will be separated by an arithmetic operations, that is either addition, subtraction and all. So, these are known as polynomials. Let us see the examples of polynomials which we are going to learn in this lesson in detail. Now, let us move on to the degree of the polynomial. Children, have you heard the term degree? You can see so many powers are there for all the variables. So, in these powers, if you see the highest power of the variable, that becomes the degree of the polynomial. So, what do you mean by degree of the polynomial? The degree means the highest power of the variable which is involved in the polynomial. That is known as its degree. For example, let us take 6. Children, tell me whether 6 is a polynomial? Yes, 6 is a polynomial. But you could not see any variable present there. But yes, we can write 6 in terms of x raised to 0. That is 6x raised to 0, because we have already learned that any term raised to 0 is 1. Now let us see another example. 5x raised to 4 plus 3x cube minus x square. See, in this polynomial you can see 4 is the highest power. So what is the degree of the polynomial? 4 is the degree of the polynomial. So I think you understood what is degree. Degree means the highest power of the variable which is involved in the polynomial is known as its degree of the polynomial. Now let us come to the standard form of the polynomial. Standard form means this degree can either be arranged in ascending order or descending order. That means either from highest degree to the lowest degree or from lowest degree to its highest degree. So let us learn the standard form p of x, because the polynomial in x, I am going to deal with polynomial in x. So I will write it as p of x. So p of x is equal to a n x raised to n plus a n minus 1 x raised to n minus 1 plus a n minus 2 x raised to n minus 2 plus etc. plus a 2 x raised to 2 plus a 1 x raised to 1 plus a naught. This is the standard form of a polynomial in which you can see a naught, a1, a2, a3 etc. are all constants. And this polynomial, the variable is x. X raised to 0, x raised to 1 up to x raised to n. So this is the standard form of the polynomial. Here the order is in the decreasing order of the powers. So n is the degree of this polynomial. The highest power is known as its degree. So n is the degree of this polynomial. So I think you have understood the standard form of the polynomial. Now children, in smaller classes you have learnt the polynomials are classified into two types. One is based on number of terms which you have learned in smaller classes, and the other one is based on degree which you are going to learn now. Based on number of terms, children, if a polynomial consists of only one term, it is known as monomial. Mono, one. So monomial means the polynomial consisting of only one term. If it consists of two terms, it becomes a binomial. If it consists of 3 terms, it becomes a trinomial. And if it is consisting of more than 3 terms, we call it generally as a polynomial. So based on number of terms, the polynomials are divided into different types: monomial, binomial, trinomial, and generally polynomial. Now we are going to learn based on degree. Based on degree, the polynomials are divided into many times. If the degree is 1, if a polynomial is having degree 1, it is a linear polynomial. Linear means its degree is 1. If the degree of the polynomial is 2, it becomes a quadratic polynomial. If the degree of the polynomial is 3, it becomes a cubic polynomial. If the degree is 4, it becomes a biquadratic polynomial or quartic polynomial. Both are same. And if the degree is 5, it becomes quintic polynomial. But you have to deal here with only linear, quadratic and cubic polynomial in class 10. So I think the classification of polynomials is clear for you. Classification is based on two types, that is either by number of terms or by degree. You can see the examples in which it is clearly mentioned. Monomial means it consists of only one term, binomial 2 terms, trinomial 3 terms, like that it goes. And if the degree is 1, linear; if the degree is 2, quadratic; if the degree is 3, cubic. So this much I think it is clear for you. This is the classification of polynomials. So children, today we learned what a polynomial is, what are the different types of polynomials, that is based on number of terms and based on degree. Then we learned the degree of a polynomial, that means the highest power of the variable, and the standard form of the polynomial, which you have already learned in class 9, that is p of x is equal to an x raised to n plus an minus 1 x raised to n minus 1 plus etc. plus a2x square plus a1x plus a0, where all these a1, a0, a2, a3 etc. and all are constants. So I think till here it is clear for you. In the next class we will learn the geometrical meaning of zeros of a polynomial, the relationship between zeros and coefficients of a polynomial, okay, and all those things. The standard form also we will be learning in the next class. So until then, see you soon, take care, bye bye.